Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, as most of you are extremely aware of, we are starting the ACT Aspire next Monday and Tuesday. Now, your parents should have received emails about this, but you will be coming to school on Monday and Tuesday. So, I've yet to see the schedule, but I'm assuming you're going to need to be here by the standard 8:35 when the school starts here. Um, I'm not sure how long it will go. Where the blended students are going to take 4 days for their ACT Aspire, you're doing yours in 2 days. You're going to have a morning session and an afternoon session. You will be the only students here. There will not be any of the blended students. They will be doing a remote learning days on those 2 days so that you're not dealing with all the crowds and stuff like that. There won't be that many students here because if you're a Fulbright student, which all of you are, you'll be in this school. I think we're talking probably about 60 or 70 people uh, total in the school. I might be a little bit um, off on that. Jesna, the blended students will be taking their test the following week. Um, they'll be taking theirs over Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And what do you mean? But what will you or what will we be doing? What do you mean? During those 4 days? Is that what you're talking about, Jesna? Okay, so what you guys will be doing, you'll be here taking a test. When they're taking their test, I will probably have recorded lessons for you. There'll be some kind of assignments um, in Google Classroom, but there won't be any live classes because I'll be monitoring classrooms. So, oh, you'll be fine. It's not going to be that bad. Okay, so this week, or last week, I was asked by Sanjay in particular, what exactly is going to be on the ACT Aspire as far as science goes? It's not so much knowing material that we've learned. Like, we've covered chemical reactions and bath bombs and stuff like that. You're not necessarily going to need to know a very particular thing in science. Like right now, we've been studying food webs. You're not necessarily going to have to come up with definitions or anything like that. What's going to be happening, and we're going to be looking at this in just a couple minutes, you're going to be given a narrative. So there'll be some kind of lab work or something like that that is presented to you. It'll give you data, it'll give you um, uh, the scenario of what's going on. It's going to give you all this information that you need. And then it's going to ask you questions where you have to extrapolate, need to pull out the information needed to answer the test. So, with that being said, I say they don't want us teaching to the test. So they don't want me to say, "Oh, okay, I know this is going to be on bath bomb and chemical reactions." So they don't want me to sit here and teach you all about that. But they want me to teach you. We're supposed to look at how to get information out of text. So what I'm going to do right now, analyzing, reading, using data from all types of data and graphs. Exactly. Not just data graphs, Yeah, data and graphs, visuals, and reading. All right. So what I'm going to do right now is I have just posted a test nav for you. It's being assigned right now. And what this is 14 questions. No, they're not all multiple choice. Some of them are written answers. Um, some of them are going to be drag and drops and different things like this. So what we're getting ready to do right now, Shrey, is we are getting ready to practice this. So if you all, let's see here, if you all go to your Google Classroom, I have this thing called Test Nav and Gizmo. Open this up, and I want you to click the Sign In Test Nav. And when you open it up, it already should be populated with a username and a password, and click the Sign In button. Do not start yet. Um, okay, so hold on. The username is Science7. So SCIENCE number 7. And the password is ATC Aspire. ASPIRE. So Science7 is the username. And the password is ACT Aspire. So ACTASPIRE. No, all lowercase. Yeah, just went back to make sure it's all lowercase. Nope. Sanish, when did you do this? Where did you do this, Sanish? You went in by yourself to do this? All right, well, you're going to do it again and you're going to put the answers on the Google Doc that's there. So, what you're going to do today is you are going to go ahead and go through the 14 questions, which really should not take you very long. There's only 2 sets of questions. So there's one that deals with caterpillars and leaves, and the other one is about water on a glass. So I I don't think it's quite 7 questions for each one, but I want you to answer the questions on the test or on the Google Doc that I have there. Um, where you have to type an open response, type it onto the Google Doc. No, it is 14 questions. Oh, the real test? That varies, but yeah, there's around 50 questions on it. Yes. No, because the test nav will not give you, it will not tell you what's correct or not. So just answer straight on to the Google Doc. Sanjay, you have a question? No, it should make you, it's making a copy for each one of you. So just click on that. That'll be your own copy that you're going to turn back in. Yeah, so you're going to start the test, and then what you can do is just copy the answer. You can just, which, oh, actually, you can't. You're going to have to type it out. Sorry. It won't let you highlight and copy. You're welcome. All right, I'm going to be here while you guys are working on this if you have any questions. But when you are done with this, I want you to do the Gizmo worksheet as well. This is going to help prepare you for a test that we're going to have on Wednesday. Yeah, on Wednesday. So the Gizmo is your homework. The test nav is what you should be doing right now. Yes, you may start now. I'm sorry. And I'm going to stop the recording.